So here is our game, and now if you have a checkerboard at home, you can certainly use this. I've decided to use some poker chips here because it does make them just stand out a little bit more than the checkers that I have. So on here, okay, what we have is we have 3 initial clones that are starting in their prison, and that's what this is. These first 3 spots, these are in the prison. The rest of this area out here is the free land, right? That's where they can escape to freedom. And we can think about this as though there are an infinite amount of clones. You can always grab more if you need, and there's an infinite amount of space this direction. Okay, they can't go any more this way. Essentially, they have to stay in what would be quadrant 1 right here. So in order for the clones to escape, what they need to do is clone themselves. And here's how cloning works in this game, right? In order to clone themselves, so say I wanted to clone this guy here at B1, what he does is he takes 1 copy, he clones himself, and then that clone splits, going vertical 1 and horizontal 1, and then leaving that original space empty. So if I'm going to clone B1, he's going to clone going up and then going over here as well, leaving this space empty. And now what's also a good idea is to record, okay, I cloned B1, so I'm going to record that there. That was my first clone. And now I have some other clones in here. So the thing is, we want all these clones to eventually get out. So this first guy kind of escaped. There's nobody left in the prison there. So the next guy, maybe I would look through and say, oh man, maybe I want him to escape. The next rule is the clones cannot run into each other. So if I tried to clone this guy, right, he would have to go up 1, which would be fine. But then when he tried to move over here, oh no, there's somebody already there, and it's sort of blocking his escape. So we can't use this guy, cannot get cloned right now. So, okay, well, let's clone this guy here at B2. So I'm going to record that. Make sure I record what I'm doing so that if I ever, so I know what the process is to win the game. So in here, if I'm cloning B2, he gets cloned, moves up and over, not back down. So now we can see, oh great, now we can go ahead and clone A2 and get him to escape. So now this one would be A2. You gotta clone him there. And there, that's where he cloned to. So now we've got 2 guys that have escaped out of the prison, and we maybe want to eventually get this guy. So I might get excited and say, all right, let's try A1, right? Can I get him to escape? So in here, I clone him, and we'd move up 1 and over 1, and okay, that one, but oh shoot, we filled the prison back up with a couple more. Maybe I need to keep expanding these guys out. And so that there, this is your guys' challenge, is to see, can you get can you get just these 3 spaces to be blank and have everybody escape the prison?